Hey there! Welcome to our channel Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to log in to WorkHands. In order to do that, it's a very simple step. You can simply follow along the step-by-step process and you'll be logged in no time. First step, let's open up our Google Chrome right here in the search bar. Let's type in WorkHands login. Okay, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. It may take some time, depending on your internet connection. Okay, now that's it. You'll be greeted with this login page. All you gotta do is type in your email. Yes. And the password, of course. That's it. Now we're final step. All you gotta do is tap in that orange button that says sign in, and you'll be signing in your WorkHands account. Also, if you've forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap into the forgot your password option and it will guide you through. So that's it. Congratulations. Now you'll be logged into your WorkHands account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.